So you survived the elections, congratulations, and now it's a beautiful fall day. Now you may contest the results, but while I try to maintain the beauty of this fall day on the Chesapeake Bay, let's talk about how if you didn't make it through, your life insurance company might contest paying out your policy benefits. Now if you've had your policy for more than 2 years, just go ahead and swipe because this only applies to anyone who's purchased a policy in the last 2 years. This is known as the contestability period. And during the contestability period, if you pass away, your life insurance company has the right to investigate and potentially deny paying your family's death claim. Now the first and most common reason they'll do this is because they can prove that you lied on your application. This means that if in some way you didn't truthfully answer the questions about your lifestyle, previous illness history, or even criminal background, this is grounds to void your contract. Now the company can do this even if the lie was unrelated to the death, meaning if you lied about being a rodeo clown but passed away of a heart attack, your claim can be contested. They can also and most definitely will contest it if the death was by the person's own hand. Suicide in the first 2 years of a life insurance contract is seen as a form of fraud. And although that may bother your sensibilities, you gotta look at it from the company standpoint. You pay $600 a year for a $500,000 term policy, now they have to pay out $500,000. Not a sustainable business model. And then lastly, outside of the 2-year contestability period, which is on every life insurance contract sold in the US, some policies have it built into their contract that they won't pay out the death benefit at all, even if you told the truth. These are known as graded death benefit policies and are typically only issued on people that are less than healthy. These are often the policies you see being advertised on TV and by mail. These policies only pay out after the first 2 to 3 years on the contract. Anything short and they just return your premium payments made. Now when it comes to life insurance companies contesting death claims and they can prove that some sort of omission or lie was done, there are some avenues where you can legally force them to basically settle and pay out some portion of the original death benefit. But the key here, like we tell all our clients, is that you have to be as truthful and honest as possible, and don't let silly things like politics affect your health.